Hello, buddy, and today we'll be reviewing the Dark Blizzard, which has power of 9 out of 10, hook of 6 out of 10, and length is 6 out of 10. So, grab this, and we're on Taj Mahal. And when balls are on Stroker, I start on outside because of the low rev rate. And start with 710. Nice, that's bad shot because it's 710. I was made. So let's do a little inside. Let's do 12. There we go. So tweener. And try 18. But it's not push it so far out. There we go. Try 20. Beautiful. 2 hands. We're at 2 hands already. It's gonna move quite a bit. It's 24. Yeah, that's nice. I did it late, so I'm gonna do it again. I mean, it depends on everywhere. There we go. That's a perfect strike I wanted to see. So I'm going to match. Let's do Tower Pizza. I haven't done Tower Pizza in a while. I don't remember when the last time I did Tower Pizza. I'm sure it was a few fields ago. I don't remember. Alright. We're at 24. So let's try and make good shots for the process. Hopefully I get better performance. Honestly, this ball's easier to use than last week's video. Last week's are just... The ball is just... not easy to use on any pattern. But this ball is... outtakes last week's video big time. Okay, I was gonna go for a perfect game, but 9 of 8 pin stands in your way and ruin your dive. It's always like 1 pin is gonna screw you over. Always. It's just a part of bowling. It just depends, just count against you, and just how it is. Okay. Hold. It holds. I was worried because this ball has a lot of hook, so I wasn't sure how much it's gonna hook because I push it, real early into the dry part of the oil. But it struck, so we're good. Beautiful. Okay. He can still pick up the spare, which he does. Hook. There we go. I didn't have to even come back. Hooked more than I thought. Because this ball has some yield length. I mean, 6 out of 10, I guess. I only rate 6 out of 10 on hook and length, so I wasn't sure. Well, that's gonna manufacture this ball. But it works out good. Oh, shoot. Alright. No. Are you serious? Yep, I guess that's fair. I guess when it gets top, it still doesn't fall. I guess that's pretty fair, I guess. How's this point for a spare? Of course, when the pin taps it, nope. Pins are cruel to you at that. Always. I can strike out for 243. Oh, not 212 anymore. It's gonna be 200 now. Okay, 189. That's alright. Good game overall. Now last week's video, the score I shot shocked me. Go and see it last week's. It's just crazy. It just wasn't a great ball last week. And I overtook the score from last week too. Which doesn't surprise me today. Just last week's score. I think I was gonna shoot well over 200, but I did. So, just go check that video out. And we won. So, this will be good for, I guess, the patterns where you can hook the ball, not too much, but right, hook the ball like Taj Mahal, Chicken Itza, and Tower of Pisa, and probably some more. But yeah, so goodbye.